Welcome, in front of me is an Honor X7b, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, let's open up our settings, and in here, in the main settings page, you want to scroll down to Storage, swipe to the left to show your memory card selected, and then choose Format. This will give you a message that all data currently stored on the Samsung SD card, though for you it might say something else, it's just a brand of my card, will be erased. To avoid losing data, back it up before continuing. So, with that being said, if you store anything on your card that you don't want to get rid of, make a copy of it, probably to like a computer would be the simplest solution, and then proceed with the format option. Otherwise, the data that you store on it is completely deleted and this cannot be undone. Now, I actually have data on this card that I do want to preserve, so I'm not going to be going through this, but all you would need to do is select Erase and Format. This would go through a fully automatic process of formatting the card, which only takes a couple seconds to finish up, and once that's completed, the card will be, formatted and ready to be used once again. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.